Hello everyone and welcome to Yoka's Polka. Today I am challenging myself to use up some of my old sticker books. To do that I will be using this ancient thing which is my first ever Happy Planner sticker book. And I think I randomly found it at Ross in their art section. I will also be using my Viewingo washi tape because this spread is going to need all the help it can get. I started by placing this large sticker on the left side of the spread. Already a lot of the work was done, and speaking of work, my manager came to check if I was working. I then decorated the section where I write my quote of the week with the tab sticker and an orange drink. Since I don't have a lot of decorative stickers left in the sticker book, I decided that washi tape will be my best friend. So I tried my best to choose 6 different colors that matched with the leftover stickers and began laying them across the entire spread. Thankfully, this helped take up a lot of the space in my spread. Once that was done, I really wanted to have a quote sticker, and thankfully I had some. I chose this one that says, "I wish I had more vacation days." My trick is to use whatever big stickers I have left to help me cover up the spread. I also had a bunch of these meal type stickers, so I decided that it would actually be a perfect time to bring back my meal planning. I then found these 2 stickers that say, "Love my mom, love my dad." And I don't know how I haven't even used these stickers yet because they're pretty cute, and I love my parents. For my to-do boxes, I chose to go with these tab stickers again, and sadly, I don't have any checklist stickers, but you'll see what I do to get around it later in the video. Don't judge me, but I did cheat a little because I wanted to use this coffee sticker that I got from Amazon, and Sunday I had a coffee date, so I needed help covering up the boxes. Anyways, for the rest of my to-do boxes, I used these circle stickers, which I have a ton of. At first, I placed them on the washi tape, but it was kind of hard to see them, so I moved them down. I moved that coffee date sticker onto the Sunday section, and what do you know? More meal plan stickers. I finished placing the last of my meal plan stickers on the days I didn't get them. I didn't really like how cluttered Wednesday was looking, so I decided to break it up a little and move around some of the stickers. Not to mention, I had 2 empty boxes for Thursday and Friday, so I moved the mom and dad stickers to help cover up those 2 boxes, and luckily it worked out. This spread isn't looking too bad, but it did need a little more decoration, and to do that I grabbed another one of my old sticker books that is practically empty. I then chose a couple of stars and placed them around the quote sticker just to help make it pop. Once I was done with that, I wanted to make my own habit tracker for this week, and at first I chose these ice creams to act as my different trackers, but then I didn't really like how it looked, so I replaced 2 of them for a cherry and a cupcake, and I really like how that looked. I then picked out a midliner and a jelly roll to write out my trackers for this week. I didn't trust myself to freehand the midliner, so I got some help with my trusty ruler. I then began to fill out the different things that I wanted to track, such as my vitamin and soda intake, and also how many times I went on a walk and exercised. If you want to see this section filled out, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. I then took my Tombow Drawing Pen and began to fill out the quote of the week, which for this quote of the week, it's "Suffer the pain of discipline or suffer the pain of regret" by Jim Rohn. I then started to fill out my meal plans for this week, and I chose to write it out in cursive. Once that was done, all that was left to write out was my to-dos, and since I didn't have any checklist stickers to help me out, I just stuck with my midliners to create little dots. Yeah, it's not that innovative, but it got the job done. Once everything was written down, it still looked quite empty, so I chose these green and yellow midliners to create these little hearts and polka dots around some of the stickers, and it honestly helped a lot. I also had this sticker scrap from my Nintendo Switch, and I wanted to use the little circle stickers to cover up the date sections on the tab stickers. I ran out of circle stickers for the last tab sticker, so I used my jelly roll to cover up the line and then drew a heart in place of it. And we are finally done! I think this is by far the hardest challenge I have done on my channel yet, and I'm pretty proud of how the spread came out. I still have more stickers left over, so I might redo this challenge in the future, but for now, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all a little later.